This is the 50-second LeetCode challenge, and it is called N Queens 2. The N Queens puzzle is a problem of placing N queens on an N by N chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. Given an integer n, return the number of distinct solutions to the N Queens puzzle. Okay, so this is the same as the previous challenge, except instead of returning a list of the different combinations, you're just returning the amount of them. So let's get started. So I copied over the solution for the previous challenge, except I need to change this, the name here. Okay, so this solution gets the list of possible combinations, but what we need to do is get the amount. So we will need to modify this so it's only the number amount. Straight away we can see if n equals 1, we just need to return 1. I guess I should probably go over what the solution is for the previous one. So have a character array for the board. You fill it all with dots, as dots is an empty space. Run solve board, which you run this function recursively. So you go through. So you start off with a row, then you go through each column in that row. You first check to see if you can actually place a queen there, which you do so by checking to see if there's any queens vertically above it or diagonally. So if there are none, it returns true. Goes here. You place the queen on the board. You then run the next row for the board. So row plus 1, and you try to place the queen on it again. Then when you get to the very end, which is row equals board.length, which means every queen is on the board and it's safe, you then add the solve to it. So we need to change it, so instead of adding the list of strings to output, we need to get the count for it. So I guess easy solution would be to just go here and return count, but I'm not satisfied with this. I guess something that we could do instead is, instead of this, we do, let's move through to there, then we do int count. So we start off with 0, 0. This will return an int, and we'll put this here. We can remove output now. So this will be return count plus 1. So that'll be row plus 1, then count. And this will be count equals this. Then when you get to the end, we return count. Okay, so let's run it and see if that's all that needed to be done to get the correct count for it. Okay, so we got the expected output, so 2 for input of 4 and 1 for input of 1. So let's copy all this code and we will put it into LeetCode. So we run on the test ones, those were correct, so we'll now submit. And that was the solution. So that's the 50-second LeetCode challenge called N Queens 2. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.